Okay guys, this video is for the latecomers. That's the latecomers to Tapswap airdrop. You guys, most of you guys witnessed what happened with Notcoin. People were mining Notcoin. I actually mined Notcoin, but I didn't make that much compared to most of my friends who made very, very much from Notcoin. And Tapswap, I didn't see the heat coming. Actually, I didn't see the heat coming. So this is just for the latecomers, people like us, and most of you also watching this video. So I just want to introduce you to Notcoin if you don't know of Notcoin yet. I'm just starting my mining today, so I just want to see how much I can make before the launch day, which is 30th of this month. Okay, so if you want to get on board right now, you can check the description section of this video. You are going to see the first link, then you can click on it and start mining. Just register and start mining. Okay, so as we mine this Tapswap now, I'll appreciate you give this video a like. It's very, very important. Make sure you drop your like on this video. And after that, if you haven't joined our social handles, do well to join our social handles via the links on the description section of this video. So our links are that of WhatsApp and Telegram. So make sure you join up. Okay, so I'll just be tapping on the Tapswap. Okay, I'll be tapping on it until I exhaust my power. I know many people have made much from this, but I'm just coming late, and I'll see how much I can make before that 31st. Before the 30th, sorry, not 31st, when it's going to be launched. So I'll keep tapping until it gets exhausted, and then I'll stop. So there are also many other ways you can make money on this opportunity. Okay, or let me say you can earn more points on this opportunity. You can also refer. You can also boost your power. All right, you can also boost your power. So I'm done tapping. So this is the boosts. This is the boost right over here. So I can boost my power. When I boost my power, they are going to deduct some of my points and then give me more tapping allowance, or maybe a double tap, so that each time I tap is not going to be +1, but it might be +2, +3, +4, +5, and so on. Okay, so this is all I have to do for now. And also there are also tasks that I can perform right here, like following them on X, that's on Telegram, or just social tasks that you can do in order to earn more points on Tapswap. So guys, this is already a late video and a late update. I'm really sorry that I didn't bring this to you when I was supposed to, but believe me, this time around, no dullings. We are very, very serious and active. All right, so make sure you join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, in order not to miss out on our updates. And also guys, I am also a vendor. If you wish to trade your gift cards, if you want to buy cryptocurrency USDT, or you want to sell your USDT, I'm also available. You can hit me up right on WhatsApp or on Telegram. So all you just have to do, you just have to join our social handles, or maybe you can drop a comment on the comment section. So that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video, and stay blessed.